This video about return scam to those big retailers. I don't like it when someone buys something and keep it for a couple years and return it back. And I'm sure if you dealt with those biggest stores, I'm talking about. I don't want to mention the name, but they allow you to return things regardless and whenever. But I really don't know how you sleep at night when you do stuff like this. This is really shocked me when I saw it. I bought this pallet of pressure washers, some of them electric and some of them gas. Of course, the return items, some of them are brand new, like this is a brand new in a box, this is a brand new in a box. Most of these are brand new. They're still sealed in a bag. This is the one that shocked me. I know also this one here was slightly used. There's some marks of like some use on it, which is fine. I didn't even test them yet. But this one here, the one I got confused when I was looking in the box. As you can see, everything here, it's in the box new. The wheels, they're not even used. The adapters, those connectors are not used. Everything's pretty much brand new. The pressure nozzle also, it's brand new, still in the bag. So everything is here in the sealed. This thing is in the bag. So this is what it looks like. Coming here, the frame here never been used, and I see the wheels never put on. But when I look at the motor itself, this is electric motor. Was used and abused. So I was looking, see what was going on here. Look at this button. Obviously there are wear and tear a lot here. Hose was connected. This was abused. Look at this. So what this Mr. Honest guy did, I wish if the store caught it on the return, caught what he did. So I kept digging here, you can see this was used. So the motor itself, so what the guy or whoever the person is, he bought this, looks like, that's what my analysis for the whole situation. He bought this and went back home, so he replaced this motor. Okay, so this motor was replaced, and I was looking, okay, you can't see it through here. I could see the screws. It's very hard to see down, but the screw in the bottom here, it was here. This one here, it was removed. So I could tell the guy, he wanna trick the store, making him look like, oh, I'm just returning it, I don't like it. So what he did, he just replaced this whole motor. He took the new motor from this frame, he put it on his old frame to trick the store, and he brought it back with this one here. Okay, I didn't test it yet, I'm sure it's not working. He removed it for a reason. He messed with it. Okay, and just shame on you, guy, or shame on you, whoever you are. I mean, don't do this, it's not fair for anybody, It's just not fair for the store to do this to them. I mean, this is not, you have to be fair and square and play it honest, I don't know why you did this, just to save some money. Just return it. I mean, they will take it from you, and that's it. They'll give you your money back, buy another one. Why you have to go through all this? I have no idea why you have to go all this. And this is store, specifically that store, I don't want to mention the name, they do take it regardless. I'll give you another one, especially this is electric, not gas. Okay, so this is really bothering me. Tell me, what are your thoughts? What do you think about this? I don't think this is fair for anybody. It doesn't matter if the store makes a lot of money, but this is not fair. You should not do this. Okay, as you can see, this is an old motor, but he kept it. He put it back on a new frame, so he makes it look like to the person who's checking on the return that there's nothing here. It's all brand new. you know. Everything's still in, the hose not even used. Here, return everything. Make it look like, you know, no problem. All right. So, tell me what you think. All right. I checked all these just visually. They look fine. Some return, they look clean. The wheel's not even rolled yet, so everything looks good. So hopefully everything will work as should. Thank you for watching.